Hey there! Is your Sharp TV blinking its light mysteriously and causing you frustration? Fear not. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Sharp TV blinking light issues effectively. Whether it's a small glitch or a pesky hardware problem, we'll cover the steps to identify and resolve these blinking light woes, bringing your entertainment experience back to life. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. First, we need to understand the cause of the blinking light on your Sharp TV. The blinking light can often indicate different issues, such as power supply problems, software glitches, or connection issues. To begin with, count the number of times the light blinks in a cycle, as some Sharp models have diagnostic codes that correspond to specific issues. Refer to your TV's manual for these codes, or check the manufacturer's website for guidance. Step 2. Perform a simple reset. One of the quickest ways to resolve minor glitches is by performing a simple reset. Start by unplugging your TV from the power outlet and waiting for about 10 minutes. This allows any residual power to discharge, effectively resetting the system. After the wait, plug the TV back in and power it on. Check if the blinking light issue persists. If it doesn't, you may have just fixed a temporary malfunction. Step 3. Inspect power supply and connections. If the blinking light persists, the next step is to inspect the power supply and all cable connections. Ensure that the power cable is securely connected to the TV and the outlet. Check for any damage or wear on the cable itself. Also, make sure that the HDMI and other input cables are properly connected. Sometimes a loose cable can cause intermittent issues, leading the TV to blink its warning light. Step 4. Update the firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause erratic behaviors in smart TVs. Check if there's an available firmware update for your Sharp TV. Navigate to the settings menu and look for a software update option. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. This process can resolve software-related bugs that might be causing the blinking light issue. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, consider resetting your TV to factory settings. This step should be taken with caution, as it will erase all your settings and personalizations. To perform a factory reset, go to the settings menu and find the reset option. Follow the prompts to complete the reset process. Once done, set up your TV from scratch and check if the blinking issue has been resolved. Step 6. Contact customer support. If the problem still persists after attempting all these fixes, it might be time to reach out to Sharp's customer support. They can provide specific guidance for your TV model or recommend a professional technician to resolve hardware issues. Ensure you have all your purchase details and model information handy for a smoother support call. And there you have it. The comprehensive guide on how to fix Sharp TV blinking light issues. By diagnosing the problem, checking connections, updating firmware, and contacting support when necessary, you'll be well on your way to enjoying uninterrupted entertainment once again. Remember, patience and careful troubleshooting are key when dealing with tech issues. Good luck, and here's to bright and clear viewing on your Sharp TV.